Yeah, they are in their hands now.
We are very excited about the project. Today they hand over to the rightful owners of the project. It has cost government close to 280 million investment to the project. As you see the project now, we've got about 582 cows that are here. The land is about 2,200 hectares of land that is given to these people. They've got about 10 tractors, they've got 9 horses that they use to patrol the place. We're very optimistic about the project. They are getting 51% ownership of the project. We'll be working closely with them as the department so that this project does not fail, it becomes a success. We actually want to make it a model of project that government gives to people. They have a trust. They've nominated 6 people who will be representing them in the trust. We've appointed an accountant and a lawyer. We'll be having a senior manager as part of the executive. The municipality is also appointing someone, and the district municipality is also appointing someone.
Vrede akunamafem. Abantwana kufanele bathole umsebenzi kule project. Besibhlungu kabi ekugcineni nje ukuhlala kwethu nama meeting wethu neagriculture kwakungapheli singaxabanile nabo. Ngokuthi sase singathembi noma ubani ozayo. Ngokuthi ezinye zezinto zazingafezeki. Nje ngifaka izinto ezimhlophe ngiyakhombisa ukuthi nenhliziyo yami izoba mhlophe namhlanje. Ngizocala impilo entsha yokuthuthukisa umphakathi wasephumelela.